Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. The Monster Shack crew rocked dancehall in the 1990s. The group now dissolved, but former member Ghost is out of the shadows with plans to rejuvenate his recording career and make a mainstream comeback. The artist has released a new single that's titled No Feelings, distributed by Stephen, Julian and Damian Marley's Ghetto Youths International label.
Always reckon just Jamaican with them Piola thing. This song now just released named No Feelings. Why I did this song because I seen what going on in the dance, whereas them a take with dancehall and make it I call it a different name named Tropical Beat. It's a new dancehall, I say then. Cause it have some of them something like how them coming after with something and teeth with something. I mean, big up Justin, big up Rihanna, big up Tory Lane. You know, we have to jump in that lane there. And this song named No Feeling, it have that something there.
You mesmerized. I gave you a chance already this time. I won't stay around. You know my situation from the get-go. Why you wanna tear me down? Hear me now, hear me now, hear me now, hear me now. If you ain't got no feelings for me, why the hell you here? Why the hell you here? Tell me.
2017, a big year for Jamil. The artist is closing out on a high with his You Me Love single receiving major traction in the US, Caribbean and Europe. The Dunwell production was recently featured on Sway's Universe project, the A&R Roadshow. Jamil is preparing for the release of his album in 2018 and will also kick off his US tour in mid-January. On the international scene, Nelly is officially cleared from his legal woes. The rap veteran can now breathe a sigh of relief after his rape case was officially closed. Nelly was arrested and charged with second-degree rape after a female fan filed a police report claiming she was raped by the artist on his tour bus in Washington. Nelly maintained his innocence from the get-go and made clear his intentions to pursue legal action against his accuser. The country grammar rapper was cleared after the alleged victim refused to cooperate with the authorities, leaving them no choice but to stop pursuing the case. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Enjoy your weekend.